What's up, traders? We're about to make some stacks. What I'm going to show you today is a Forex trading strategy that I just noticed in the market recently. So hopefully you guys can use this to your advantage in the current trending market. Alright, first of all, guys, just leave me a quick comment in the section below. I have not the wide angle lens on right now. I just want to know what you guys prefer. I think this actually kind of looks a little bit better without the wide angle lens because you're not getting all this garbage on the side here. So just let me know what looks better. Now, I just want to quickly say about this is not a Forex trading strategy that I've actually used in action yet. It's just something that I've noticed very recently in the current trending market and basically only on EU, but it does seem to be working. I do not have long-term data for this, but I do want to give you guys all of this information that I'm coming across so that hopefully somebody can take this info and run with it and create something that they can actually be profitable with. It's not something that I'm going to personally be experimenting with, but I do see it as a very profitable potential. Alright, so we're just going to jump right into it. Not much of fluff at the beginning. Basically what I've noticed is now that we're in a downtrend here and we're a little bit uptrend now in the euro, what I've put on here is just the different session times. So with hourly candlesticks, we have this first block as the London session. This is the London New York overlap, and then this is the New York session, so you can see that quite clearly. And what we just want to point out here is the highest candle, so the supply candle in the London session. So if I just expand the candle here, we can see a perfect kiss in the New York session, and it seems to happen quite often here. So if I just do this again here on the next day, we see the London session, and then in the New York session here it's kissed and then down. In the next day, we can draw something that kind of looks like this. I mean, it hits on the next day there. It doesn't line up perfectly into the New York session. Actually, you know what? It did on the New York Open on that wick there. So I've actually been proven right again here. And you can kind of see this happening all over the next day. Let's draw it again. The high candle of the London in the New York time, it kind of comes back up, tests it, and then dumps back down during the next day. Obviously, there's no retest on this day, so you miss out then. Let's see here. That one kind of lines up too. This one missed. So you might be thinking we're in an uptrend now, but it still seemed to match up somewhat well. If I just draw, here's the candle on the New York Open, it touches it and then dumps back down there. This is weird. It's been every single day pretty much. And I don't know if this is going to last for too long, but it's something that you guys can really experiment with and play around with the different session highs and lows and see if something like that is going to work in your favor compared to how you're already trading. It's not something that I'm personally going to get into, but this is just kind of the thing that, like a professional Forex trader, you always need to keep your eyes open for changes in the different patterns and things like this. So this is kind of something that's a little bit more on my radar now, and I might be able to incorporate something later when I get better ideas, and it might be able to be incorporated into my actual strategy there too. And again, this is on the hourly time frame, so if we looked at the 15-minute, let's just see how that kind of looks like for maybe a smaller time frame here. Just see how it lined up. See, it wicked here, it wicked in, touched it perfectly there. It seems to look a little bit nice there too. And honestly, I'm not sure if it's going to work in other pairs or not either. Yeah. So yeah, guys, very quick video there for you. I hope that can actually help somebody develop some sort of strategy on their own. Please give this a like, just because I am giving you something that I have no idea whether or not it's going to work, but I think just passing on this knowledge whenever I come up with things, I hope you guys really appreciate that, and I really appreciate likes, so you can do that back for a favor. And if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe and the bell notification so that you can join in on the Monday to Friday live streams. I stream every Monday to Friday from the New York Open for about maybe 30 minutes or so, and join the Discord so that you can see me post the live streams, because the live streams are actually hidden from my channel. I'm a professional Forex trader, and I'm doing this out of the comfort of my own home. So please follow along.
Listen.